Hi guys. Let's start with Gooten. A high-quality pod service at great prices. How to work with Gooten. It is similar to other pod services. First, you have to select the products, download the models, see how it looks and then sell them on your store. Gooten will take care of the rest, from printing to shipping. To market your store, you have a boost to promote your creations so that people buy your products. Depending on the quality of your creations as well as the effort providing in advertising, will be your turnover. In Gooten there are no bills or monthly fees. You only pay a margin on your products. Gooten on Shopify. Go to the Shopify dashboard and Shopify App Store. Search for Gooten then get. The Gooten registration page is open to you and all you have to do is complete your registration. The credit card will not be required upon registration. Enter the URL of your Shopify store now and log in. An installation window of your Shopify dashboard will open. The Gooten app will be installed and can be managed from the dashboard. Now you can add your first product by clicking on Add a new product. Choose colors, sizes, shapes, etc. as well as a high-quality image of your creation. Do not forget a nice name and a good description, then save. You can add the number of products you want. Gooten products. Gooten offers a large catalog of products from which you can choose. It goes from clothes to phone cases and everything in between. In Gooten, there are several categories. Accessories. Domestic life. Printed products. Wall art. Clothing. Kids. Pets. Gooten fees. Depending on the chosen platform. Shopify API, custom order form. You will receive payments from customers and you pay Gooten yourself via your card. For Gooten prices, see the catalog. Widget, SDK, mobile. Your customers can pay Gooten with PayPal or credit cards. Pod service Gooten. $6.86, starting price. Average rating 4 stars. Fulfillment outsourced. Lead time 4 days. Variety fewer options. In conclusion, Gooten is one of the best pod services. The Shopify integration is perfectly usable. Gooten is simple and you will only pay the initial price of the products. Try it. That's all for today. See you in another video.